Just got your Oura Ring? Let's connect it to your iPhone in under a minute so you can start tracking your sleep and health right away. Step 1. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Oura and download the official Oura app developed by Oura Health. Make sure you install the correct app, then wait for it to finish downloading and installing on your device. Step 2. Next, open your iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Your Oura Ring connects to your iPhone through Bluetooth, so this step is necessary for your phone to detect the ring during the setup process. Step 3. Place your Oura Ring on its charger and connect the charger to power. Keeping the ring on the charger during setup helps ensure the battery is sufficient and makes the pairing process more stable. Step 4. Now open the Oura app you just installed. When the app launches, tap Set up a new ring. The app will guide you through the connection process and prepare your phone to search for the ring. Step 5. Sign in to your Oura account if you already have one. If you are new to Oura, select the option to create a new account and follow the instructions to register using your email. Step 6. After signing in, the app will begin searching for nearby Oura rings. Make sure your ring stays on the charger and your iPhone remains close to it while the app scans for the device. Step 7. Once your Oura Ring appears on the screen, tap it to begin the pairing process. Wait a few seconds while the app securely connects your ring to your iPhone. Finally, follow the remaining setup instructions inside the app. You may be asked to enter some personal details like age, height, weight, and activity level so the ring can provide more accurate health and sleep insights. Follow the channel for more quick tech tutorials and simple step-by-step guides like this. Save the video so you can easily come back whenever you need it.